This is the VEVOR collapsible hand cart. Now, full disclosure, they did send this to me for free, but the opinions in this video are my own. All right, so here is the box it came in. It's this nice flat box, and pulling this out of here, you can see that it's pretty nicely wrapped up, nice and flat. But right out of the box, this thing is already put together, set up, and ready to use. You just gotta fold this out, and then you can use it. It has this button right here, and pressing that, you can extend out the handle. It extends all the way out to just about 4 foot. But anyway, the hand cart is mostly made from aluminum, but it does also have some plastic joints. It has this nice big platform down at the bottom with all of these little bumps on it to give it some more grip. It also has these really nice large 7-inch wheels. They spin nice and freely, and their size definitely makes them easy to push around. It also comes with a couple of these bungee cords that are tied around the back here, and that'll help stabilize whatever you're moving and keep it from falling over. Now, up at the top here, there are a couple different options for handles. You can use this main handlebar right here. It has a bit of foam on it, or you can take these two handles here and kind of fold them out to the side. They kind of click into place. You can kind of see the little mechanism right here on how they lock into place. And these are pretty helpful if you're moving something a bit taller, like maybe a fridge, and you don't want to put your hands in the way of it, because these let you keep your hands nicely tucked out of the way from whatever you're moving, instead of holding onto this and getting crushed by whatever you have on here. But anyway, this thing has a weight capacity of just about 300 pounds. Overall, it is fairly solid. I haven't used it to move anything more than about 130 pounds, but it stayed nice and solid when using it, and again, it can support up to 300 pounds. Super quick and easy to fold out and fold back up, and once folded up, it is nice and compact. You can easily fit this behind a door or stick it in your car to carry with you.